Welcome back to 50 Car. Some machines hum with grace. Others roar with purpose. But the 2026 Aston Martin Valhalla does both, blending elegance with electricity, heritage with tomorrow. It's not just a car. It's an experience shaped by Formula One, carved in carbon, and delivered with British poise. Main features. The Valhalla is Aston Martin's mid-engine hybrid supercar, crafted to bridge the gap between hypercar fantasy and road-ready precision. Featuring a plug-in hybrid powertrain with a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 and 3 electric motors, it pushes a combined 998 horsepower. With carbon fiber everywhere and F1-derived aerodynamics, the Valhalla is equal parts power and poetry. Exterior design. The front is low, wide, and razor-sharp. The grille? A subtle evolution of Aston's iconic look, now hidden beneath the aggression of active aero elements. Slim LED headlamps slice through the darkness like blades. The sides sculpt air with deep channels and dramatic intakes. The rear finishes with an active diffuser and dual stacked exhausts perched high like a war cry. Pros: visually breathtaking, track-inspired, wind-tuned. Cons: limited ground clearance, high repair costs on carbon panels. Interior and dashboard design. Slide in, and you're met with a stripped yet premium interior. The seating position mimics an F1 car: low, tight, and ready. The digital instrument cluster floats behind a squared steering wheel, while the center console is minimalist and driver-focused. Materials: Alcantara, forged carbon, and satin finish metals. Pros: immersive, driver-first layout, rich materials. Cons: not ideal for daily comfort, limited storage. Performance. Powered by a Mercedes-AMG-sourced V8 and electric trio, the Valhalla rockets from 0-60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Top speed? A blistering 217 miles per hour. The 8-speed DCT is snappy, and the chassis is alive, giving the driver track-ready precision with hybrid silence when desired. Pros: ferocious acceleration, advanced hybrid tech, active suspension. Cons: battery cooling concerns on repeated track use, expected high maintenance cost. Market positioning. Starting at $800,000, the Valhalla targets wealthy performance purists aged 35-60. Competitors include the Ferrari SF90 and McLaren P1. But Aston delivers more style, sophistication, and a touch of James Bond mystique. It's a refined rebellion against over-digitized rivals. Additional features. Buyers can opt for an exposed carbon body, bespoke luggage set, and titanium wheels. A 3-year limited warranty and 8-year hybrid battery coverage are included. Accessories include racing harnesses, a fast charger kit, and track day telemetry software.